A 20-year-old man from Scotland, Kayla Kenneth Rattray, was charged with murder of Zimbabwean-born Dr. Fortune Gomo on Saturday, 5 July 2025. Kusangana kwatikuita zvakare pachannel ino, channel yeZim Witness TV. Pandinodzoka nemaupdates akasiyana-siyana uye ndinoti kana kari kekutanga kusvika pano ndinokumbira kuti ungobaya button rekusubscribe, then turn on the notification bell kuitira kuti usarasikirwe neevery update yandinodzoka nayo pano nguva nenguva. The black community in Scotland mourning their fellow colleague Dr. Fortune Gomo, who was stabbed in front of her 10-year-old child by Kayla Rattray. Report says Dr. Fortune Gomo vaizvifambira havo nemwana wavo in Dundee Street, Muscat around 2 p.m. ndipo panonzi vakabayiwa nebanga naKayla Rattray pamberi pemwana wavo. Zvisinei pakamboita vakambozama kubatsira asi zvakashaya basa. Fortune akabva afira pasport. Fortune anonzi iye anga ava nemakore 39 ekuberekwa uye anga achangobva kugraduata paDundee University muScotland imomo. Zvisinei mhondi yekuponda Dr. Fortune Gomo yakapinda mumatare edzimhosva eDundee Sheriff Court nemusi weMonday 7 July 2025 where he faced a charge of murder. Uye ari kuzotarisirwa kupindazve mumatare edzimhosva after 80 days kuti ange achipiwa mutongo wake. But the reason yaakaurayira Fortune Gomo haisati yazivikanwa kuti chii chakanyatsokonzera kuti ange achibaya munhu. Ladies and gentlemen, please come through in the comment section muchingoti rest in peace kuna Dr. Fortune Gomo uye muchitiudzawo zvamunofunga pamusoro penyaya iyi.
The inquiries are at a very early stage, okay, and we're making inquiries here, okay? All right. We're working as quickly as we can, but we can't obviously divulge information to the public at this stage, okay? But we will put out a media release quite soon.
Thank you. I hope a photograph of the killer, of the murderer, will be included, just like you all do with black faces. Yes. This I will say boldly, you can take my picture, right? No, you're recording, and I don't care. And I don't care. Anyway, and guess what? I don't mind. A picture of that murderer, of that innocent, who was going to support Dundee community. She was a doctor, she just graduated at Dundee University, PhD, which meant she had a lot to offer that motherfucker scum who has killed her, right? Who depends on benefits. Yet all these people that you see, we are hardworking. Yeah. We go to work. We don't depend on benefits. I live down there. Yeah, we all work hard to earn our living in this country, not benefits. Why the fuck is she being killed?
Another question.
You're not recording.
Is recording.
You're not recording.
You're saying the information. I don't know exactly.
Some mental health.
There's no information.
Yes.
How is that?
Yes, how is it going to
So are you the one to
No, we need to know. We need to know.
Because if you're not recording,
the media should speak to us. Really arrest.
So will you share the info?
And I've been around for such a long time.
Will you share the information with them? But
I
they're not
For a big organization,
Yeah, I totally understand that, but there's no one here. We wanted the guy of info. Like someone to see what we are feeling as a community. But the thing is, like, there's no one to protect that. Then there's no media person. And you're not the one who gets the information, right?
I passed the information up to my superiors and CID are doing the inquiries. They're working at PS at the moment.
But it will be your side, not our side. It will be your side, not our side. No, what I mean is like a little bit from your mouth, whatever you say. What we say.
As we do with all incidents, we put out media messages. We are quite limited on what we can. Inquiries on board for legal reasons.
Somebody has been arrested. You need to see them.
Probably, we are there for okay, and we're limited. Very limited on what we can actually legally get out.
To be honest with you,
appreciate your colleagues have been fantastic. What you do today is in fact. It is a high job to do appreciate the work, but we feel like our commission is
Everybody don't color because we just want this year can I call this it's a long song. What evidence we are cooking what?
If you have any questions
I think we have places we thought and so, but Daddy has been a safe place for us. I've been here for more than 20 years, so I'm like, this is my safe place, but it's no longer safe, you know, and my roots are here, and I broadly say I'm from Kenya, so when I go to Kenya now, I know nothing, Daddy's home, but Daddy's not home now, I feel insecure in Daddy, so it's not right.
And many of those
I guess I won't press my son and not go out. Because he used to play.
When the incident happened, nothing happened again. Watching his life, when I ran down there, I never knew what I knew. And he let the animals walk on the street with face marks on their face.
I can assure you, police would have had me in custody. If I'd seen that, I would have ridden over them. I can assure you that. I'll kill somebody. I would. It's simple as possible. You can remove me, I don't care. I can assure you, if I find anybody killing anybody, my car will be taken in and destroyed, and I'll be punished. Because nobody's got the right to say that's a serious matter. It doesn't have to.
you want to take I joined this job because
Yeah, one more thing I want to say.